It's falling out. And what am I doing?
Pull it out, and I'll videotape it. Come on, come on. Just a little tug. A little tug. Okay, push it with your tongue hard. Like that. It's gonna come. It's coming out. Oh, look at that. It's gonna come out. She's pushing it with her tongue really hard. Really hard, Ange. Can't do it. She can't do it, Sarah. What are you gonna do when that happens to you, Sarah?
I'm already doing it. I don't know what she does. She got. She's a pussycat. Everybody knows. You butterfly was my secret.
No, don't touch Grandma's lens, honey.
Come back here.
Don't touch Grandma's lens.
Well, I don't do that.
Whoa!
Well, I don't do that too. I'm really scared.
You really are scared?
I'm gonna brush my
Okay.
teeth.
You want to brush your teeth, Ange?
No.
Do you want to brush your teeth, Angie?
Yeah. Not you. No. No, I'm not. Hello, how to come on me? I'm the movie star.